How to turn off mentions in Instagram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off mentions so that no one will be able to mention you or tag you on posts or stories. Alright, so let's get right into it. First, launch your Instagram app. All you have to do is head over to your profile at the bottom right. And once you are on your profile, just tap on these three lines at the top right. Then it will take you to your settings and just scroll down until you see tags and mentions. So it's under how others can interact with you. Tap on tags and mentions, and here you'll see a bunch of settings that you can play around with and choose your preference. So right here on who can tag you, I've set this on tags from everyone. So everyone on Instagram can tag me on their posts or stories. And here is the other option that allows tags from the people that I follow. So if there's someone that I follow, then they can tag me on their posts. And if you set it on the last option, no one on Instagram will be able to tag you. And here is the second option on how you can manage tags. So you can turn on manually approved tags. So what this will do is if you go back to your profile on this section right here, it will show up all of the tag posts. So you can manually approve the tags if you want it to show up on your profile. And if you don't want it, you can just leave it as it is and don't approve the tag. And the other option on this setting is the mentions. It's the same as the tag, but they will be able to mention you on their story. And if you don't want anyone to do that, just select the last option and no one will be allowed to mention you on their stories. And here are two other options that you can see, which allows people to boost their stories that they have mentioned you in. So basically, they will turn their story into an ad and increase the engagement. So that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next one.